What is good with y'all? It's your boy Curdy Bo, and I am here with another banger, man. And in today's video, we're about to be getting into how I record, bro. Now, I'm not finna be talking y'all heads off in this video. This gonna be a short video. But before we get into this video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment, man. You already know the vibes. It's about to hit 10K. Let's get it, man. I appreciate all my supporters, maybe, man. But without further ado, let's get into this video, man. Gang. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I just lost my iPhone XR, and that's really what I've been recording on. But when I first started my YouTube journey, this is what I was working with. I currently had this phone like literally for some years now, and it's like, I don't know if it's bugged out or whatever, but the storage is just doo-doo. Like, it's just full, nothing works anymore. Like, I'm about to really like get down and dirty on this phone and figure out why the storage is just tripping. It don't let me do anything, bro. I gotta delete everything. It's just crazy. But yeah, I just been recording on my XR. And my XR, if you have like a XR or like an iPhone 11, or I'll probably say like an iPhone 9 or above, even the 5, bro, I ain't even gonna lie, you can record on any iPhone above the 5 and the 6. It's just a storage problem. Now, you're just gonna want to be aware of the storage problem. On my iPhone XR, I don't really have storage problem. On the iPhone, yeah, on the iPhone 11 Plus up, you get like around 60 to 80 gigabytes on your phone. For the iPhone 6, I got like 32 gigabytes, which is like not a lot, because I got all my business and all my business stuff on there. Then I got all my music stuff on there. And if you make music, then you know that it'd be a lot of files and megabytes, and that eventually, if you be making music for so long, you just start taking up your whole phone. So like, that's just the things I gotta go through. But yeah, I've never made a YouTube video with like a real camera. I've been using like iPhone cameras, and there's nothing wrong with that at all. Do not knock iPhone cameras. They're pretty dope, bro. Like, this has got me like a couple of videos blew up doing you know, things off this phone. And I'm about to be getting into the iMovie. I'm about to go on the screen recording. I'm about to show y'all how I get down on iMovie. I make, okay, look. So I record my YouTube videos on iMovie, and I make the thumbnails on PixArt, and then yeah, I just post it on YouTube. So yeah, we're about to get into the frames per second and all that, everything I use, and we're about to get into iMovie. We finna just have a blast, man. You have made it to the right video, and I'm about to show you why, man. But if you about to start doing your YouTube, hey, use whatever you got. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not gonna say I wouldn't suggest the Android, because Androids have been stepping their game up. If you have like a dope Android and it can get some, you know, it's not bad, it's just cool. As long as it's cool, bro, I'm telling you, grind out now. You know, learn how to edit, do whatever you gotta do until you go on that next level. I'm not too familiar with the editing on iPhone. I mean, on Android. My whole journey's been on iPhone, so I wouldn't know. Get into the screen recording, man. So let's go. Okay, so we're currently on cameras right now, and as y'all can see, my record video is on 1080 AD. My bad, 1080p HD at 30 frames per second. Now, I wouldn't recommend recording at 720p. People probably ain't even gonna watch the whole video, and I'm not trying to sound like an a-hole, but I'm just saying, I personally will not watch a 720 video in 2022 unless it's very interesting, man. But nah, I'm just being funny. But I didn't even know the iPhone 6 had 4K, bro. But yeah, I'm just showing y'all, this is just off the iPhone 6, but you can only imagine what the other iPhones got. They got 4K, 60 frames and all that. But as y'all can see on the bottom right here, it says a minute of video will be approximately, and it lists all the megabytes and, you know, all this space it take. Now, you don't have to record your YouTube videos in 4K. It's not a must. You can still record in 1080p, and it saves a lot of storage, saves a lot of time. And yeah, man, so that's pretty much it with the camera. We're about to get over to the iMovie, so let's get to it. Okay, so we're in iMovie now. What I'm pretty much gonna be doing, my bad, I'm going too fast. We click on the plus, and then you click on movie, and then you just you click on your videos and what you got ready to edit. So I'm just gonna click on these two videos here, and I'm going to be showing you guys the split and then I'm going to be showing you guys an extra couple then I'm going to be showing you guys some more features, so just stay tuned. But if you're enjoying the video, man, smash that like button. But so let's say you got uhs and buts in your video, and like, or you got like unwanted audio in your video. I'm going to just show you a quick method on how to just split it out and get it out. So yeah, let's get it. So for example, and I'm here with another big body. All right, so let's say for example I wanted to cut out a big body. So before there, so I'm gonna say another after. My bad, y'all. I'm probably confusing y'all. You split it right after that, and then boom, and then it should just be another. My bad, I just can't hear it right now. It's your boy CurdyBull, and I'm using screen recording with the audio, and it's just not letting me hear it. But yeah, that's how you split. It's really simple. It's like literally you gonna learn it in one day. But as you can see on iMovie, man, it allows you to, you feel me, add your music on there. I'll be throwing my music on here all the time. You gotta make sure it's copyright free, or it's not gonna be allowed to be posted on your YouTube. But yeah, man, you can add photos on top of photos. It's like a dope app, man, no cap. But yeah, it's like really simple. But yeah, man, that's really the end of the video. I just showed y'all, you feel me, my little process I go through to edit and drop my videos. If y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment, man, and I appreciate all my supporters. But hey, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, man. CurdyBull in this thing. CurdyBull out, man. Peace.